One tiny sneeze and you're down with a cold. But do you know how cold and cough actually happen? The common cold is a viral infection, most often caused by the rhinovirus. When this virus enters your body, your immune system jumps into action. As your body fights back, it produces more mucus. That's why you get a runny nose, sore throat, and yes, the annoying cough. Coughing is actually your body's way of clearing out mucus and irritants from your airways. Treatment? Since it's viral, antibiotics won't work. Instead, we manage symptoms. For example, Paracetamol helps with fever and pain, and Dextromethorphan syrup is used for dry cough relief. Rest, stay hydrated, and take the right medicines. That's the real cure. If you found this helpful, follow the science capsule and share this video with someone who still takes antibiotics for the common cold.